If you've been looking for a tabletop fountain, we can show you how you can make one yourself. Get an empty detergent bottle because you're about to transform its look. Mark the lines and then start cutting. You're going to need a metal grid at this point. You can connect it with the bottle with the help of metal wires. You're going to cover the bottle with metal grid. It's a pretty easy process, as you can tell. This is where aluminum foil comes in handy, along with a hot glue gun. Cover it with gauze fabric and then glue it with a detergent bottle. You'll need more gauze fabric to cover all the metal grid because you'll be applying mortar on top of it. After it has dried, you can add more mortar. This added layer of mortar will help you give the tabletop fountain the needed texture. Don't forget about the bottom part of it too. You've officially reached the decoration part. These leaves will be used as molds, so cover them with mortar. Just be careful. Do it slowly. After the mixture dries, you may remove the leaves. Place them here and use mortar to glue them with what you've done so far. It's time for some fun. Grab your acrylic paints, a brush, and start painting. You need to mix some paints to achieve the ultimate look. Don't forget to add green paint in there too. It's time for the mini submersible water pump. Pebbles are the most appropriate choice for this part. After you pour some water there, you're officially done with this. It's truly inspiring how a bottle of detergent got transformed into a stunning tabletop fountain.